Hello guys, I got my first unboxing video for y'all and I'm pretty excited about it. So first up, we have the 1x3x3. I'm really excited about this one. I got the clear version because I wanted to see what was happening inside of it. And look at that, it even comes with instructions. But we're not gonna take a too close look at this because I want to figure it out on my own. Guess it helps to, oh, it is printed in English too, so that's good. Okay, so the 1x3x3, I think it's a Chihi. It's not super sturdy, but that's okay. This is really neat. Yes. And it could, supposed to be able to do some cool stuff. Yeah, like that. And I'll play around with it more in another video, and I'll show that I can solve it because I know I can. It's not all that complicated. It can't be. But that's pretty neat. 1x3x3. And next up is a 2x2x3. I think this also is a Chihi. It also comes with instructions. In English and Chinese, so that's good. But I don't plan to use those because I like to figure out new cubes on my own. Okay, you can't do cuts like that. Well, this is pretty neat. I like it. It's fairly simple design. I thought you might be able to do cuts like this when I first saw it, but that's okay that you can't. Oh, this will be fun. Doesn't go out of the rectangle shape. I'll have a video on this one as well. It might be the same video as the 1x3x3, so just keep an eye out on that for the first time I solve the 2x2x3. And next up, we have the Kilo Minx Shengshu. 2x2 version of the Mega Minx. It also has directions. It appears, yeah, those are directions. Don't want to take a too close look at them. Well, this is bigger than the Mega Minx. Well, maybe not quite bigger. It looks like it's about the same size as the Mega Minx. I was expecting it to be smaller. Yes. Well, this will be fun. It can't be too much. It can't be difficult at all. It's just a 2x2 version of the Mega Minx. It can't be too difficult. But we'll see about that in a later video. And last but not least, certainly not least, we have the Master Kilo Minx, which is a 4x4 version of the Mega Minx. Oh yeah. Let's look at this. Kind of greasy. It comes with extra stickers, just like my Gigaminx did. And let's just take a peek in here and see if it came with directions. No, it did not. The Master Kilo Minx you have to figure out on your own. They don't believe in helping you. Very nice. I'm excited to try this one. It looks like a lot of fun. And if you watch watched any of my Gigaminx videos, you know that I'm pretty adamant on the subject that parity does not exist with the Gigaminx, but I wonder if it exists with the Master Kilominx, because the 4x4, this 4x4 is a pain. I hate all the parity cases. I'd much rather solve a 5x5 than a standard 4x4. I really hope it is not the case with the Master Kilominx. I know it's going to be difficult. You have to... I'm going to have the Megaminx on hand so I can remember all the orientation of the centers, because if you put one center in the wrong spot when you're starting to solve this, it'll be crazy trying to figure out where everything goes. And the countless times I've solved the Megaminx and Gigaminx, I'm almost positive I will not have all these colors memorized for the correct orientation. But this will take some time to figure out, I think, but I'm definitely looking forward to it. And now we have to show the whole family the Kilominx, the Megaminx, the Master Kilominx, and then the Gigaminx. Y'all can be seen. Oh, look at that! The Master Kilominx is bigger than the Megaminx. And I'm fairly certain that the Kilominx is bigger than the Megaminx. Just something with this design, they had to make it bigger to fit, just to make all the moving parts work, I guess. But yes, the whole family. These three are definitely all Shengshu, and I'm pretty sure my Megaminx is Shengshu too. I'd have to dig up the old box and to find out for sure. But I've had it for so many years I've forgotten. But that's the unboxing for today. Got these four for today. I'm all looking forward to them. They look they look like a lot of fun. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and especially if you like this video, I will do more of these. And hit that like button and comment down below which one of these is your favorite.